Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 3030, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 3030? What's the symbolism of 3030? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 3030 mean for love? What does 3030 mean for twin flames? What does 3030 for manifestation? How does angel number 3030 affect finances? What does 3030 mean for former relationships? How does 3030 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 3030? What are the weaknesses of angel number 3030? What's the meaning of angel number 3030? Angel number 3030 signifies creativity, self-expression, and divine communication. It encourages you to embrace your unique voice and talents while staying spiritually aligned. The number 3 resonates with optimism, growth, and joyful communication, while 0 amplifies divine presence and infinite potential. Together, they suggest it's time to live with purpose, express your truth, and trust your spiritual guide. 3030 also encourages you to be bold in your aspirations, knowing that spiritual energies support your progress. It's a reminder that your life holds a higher meaning and you're being called to live it with authenticity and enthusiasm. What's the symbolism of angel number 3030? Angel number 3030 symbolizes spiritual creativity, new beginnings, and a dynamic connection with the universe. The double presence of 3 reflects imagination, inspiration, and a playful energy that helps you manifest joyfully. The zeros represent wholeness, cycles, and spiritual potential, acting as a divine magnifier. Symbolically, 3030 invites you to balance your earthly pursuits with higher purpose and creative expression. It suggests that your voice matters and that communicating authentically opens doors. The number carries a reminder that guidance is constantly available, and that trusting divine timing will lead you to fulfilling and inspired experiences. What is the angel number 3030 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 3030 urges you to align your inner creativity with your divine mission. It calls for trust in your intuitive abilities and encourages you to use your talents to uplift others. The number 3's vibration connects to ascended masters, while 0 symbolizes closeness to source energy and spiritual renewal. Seeing 3030 means you're being guided to express your soul through art, speech, or service. It may also suggest that prayer, meditation, or spiritual exploration will help you tap into higher wisdom. This number is a nudge to awaken spiritually while remaining joyful and open-hearted in your journey. What does the angel number 3030 mean for love? In love, 3030 emphasizes open communication, emotional creativity, and joyful connection. It suggests that playfulness and self-expression are key to deepening your romantic bond. If you're in a relationship, 3030 may be calling for honest dialogue and shared spiritual or creative goals. For singles, it signals a potential connection with someone who matches your energetic vibration and supports your self-expression. This number encourages you to embrace love with a light heart while staying true to your values. It also invites you to love yourself fully, as this self-acceptance will attract the right partner into your life. What does angel number 3030 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 3030 signals an awakening phase where communication, alignment, and spiritual growth are essential. It suggests both partners are being called to express their truths, heal old wounds, and align with their higher selves. The presence of 2 3s hints at mutual creativity and dynamic interaction, while the 0s highlight divine timing and infinite soul connection. If you're in separation, 3030 offers reassurance that spiritual progress is being made on both sides. This number supports reunion through authenticity and shared purpose, reminding twin flames that their journey is sacred and divinely guided. What does angel number 3030 for manifestation? Angel number 3030 is a powerful message for manifestation rooted in creativity and spiritual intention. It encourages you to dream boldly and speak your desires into existence. The energy of 3 supports imagination, joy, and visionary thinking, while 0 amplifies spiritual alignment and infinite potential. 3030 reminds you that your thoughts, words, and feelings shape your reality, so it's vital to stay positive and focused on your higher goal. Manifesting with 3030 requires trusting your intuition, releasing fear, and acting with enthusiasm. The universe supports your visions when they are authentic and aligned with your soul's true calling. How does angel number 3030 affect finances? Financially, angel number 3030 encourages innovation, trust, and aligning money goals with personal passion. It suggests that financial abundance is available when you use your creative gifts and communicate your value confidently. The number 3 highlights entrepreneurial energy, adaptability, and resourcefulness, while 0 brings spiritual insight and balance. 3030 advises embracing new ideas, staying optimistic, and making financial decisions with both heart and logic. If you've been facing financial uncertainty, this number indicates new opportunities are coming, especially those that allow personal expression and fulfillment. Trust your inner guidance and remain open to inspired financial paths. What does angel number 3030 mean for former relationships? Angel number 3030 encourages reflection, healing, and forgiveness regarding former relationships. It suggests that you can gain insight and emotional closure by expressing your feelings creatively or spiritually. The energy of 3 invites you to learn from the past with compassion, while the 0s encourage releasing negative cycles and embracing renewal. This number is a reminder that former relationships were part of your soul growth and helped shape who you are today. Whether it's time to fully let go or reconcile in a new way, 3030 supports emotional clarity, personal growth, and moving forward with peace and wisdom. How does angel number 3030 guide your work life? In your work life, angel number 3030 guides you toward creative fulfillment, authentic expression, and spiritual alignment. It encourages choosing work that allows you to be yourself and positively impact others. The energy of 3 promotes communication, inspiration, and collaboration, while 0 calls for faith in the bigger picture. If you feel uninspired at work, this number may prompt you to pursue a more fulfilling path or integrate more creativity into your current role. 3030 supports entrepreneurial endeavors, spiritual careers, and artistic pursuit. Trust your instincts and be open to unexpected opportunities that reflect your true purpose. What are the strengths of angel number 3030? The strengths of angel number 3030 include creativity, communication, optimism, and spiritual awareness. People aligned with this number often possess vibrant energy, a joyful outlook, and the ability to uplift others through their words or art. Their connection to divine guidance helps them see the big picture and remain centered even in change. They are typically expressive, enthusiastic, and adaptable, able to find inspiration in everyday moments. These individuals also shine in collaborative environments and excel when given space to create freely. Their strong intuition and openness to higher wisdom empower them to live meaningful, heart-led lives. What are the weaknesses of angel number 3030? Weaknesses of angel number 3030 can include scattered focus, overtalking without action, or avoiding responsibility in favor of daydreaming. The high energy of the number 3 can lead to impulsiveness or superficial communication if not grounded, while 0 may cause uncertainty or indecision when spiritual direction is unclear. Those influenced by 3030 may struggle with follow-through or become overly idealistic. There can also be a tendency to seek external validation. To overcome these weaknesses, it's important to stay disciplined, trust inner guidance, and use creative energy constructively. Balance between inspiration and practical action is key to thriving with this number.